welcome. Today we're going to be continuing our calculations in wave motion. In what? Wave motion. And now we are given this. The equation of a wave is given as y equal to 5 sine in bracket 2.0x minus 100t, where x and y are in meters and t is in seconds. What is the amplitude, frequency, period, wavelength, and what? Speed. How do we go about this? First of all, we state the general equation of wave, is it not? And the equation says y is equal to a, which is amplitude sine in bracket 2 pi ft minus 2 pi x all over what? Lambda. And we call it equation what? 1. Now we say comparing equation 1, which is this, with the given equation, which is this. Is that clear? This is equation 1 and this is the given equation. Comparing these two of them, you can easily see that this place that we have 5, that is similar to where we have what?
Amplitude.
A. And A is the what?
Amplitude.
A is the what?
Amplitude.
Amplitude. So we can easily see that the amplitude A is equal to what? 5. If all of these are given in meters, and you're told to find A in centimeter, or if all of these are given in centimeter and you're told to find A in meters, it's going to be 5 over what? How do you convert meters to centimeter?
5 over 100.
5 over 100, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you can easily say that it's 5 all over what? 100. And it will be what? 0.015, isn't it? In what? This time around in what?
Meters.
In meters. That's if you are given in cm, if the previous equation was in cm. Is that clear? Now, frequency, how do you calculate the frequency, which is the second one? You check the equation, which one has f? Can you see f here? Or check the equation, which one has, can you see there's t here and there's t here? Can you see that? There's x here and there's what? X here. So equate the ones that have t together. So you have 2 pi ft is equal to what? 100t. Cancel t with t. Make f the subject of the formula. F will be equal to what? 100 all over what? 2 pi. And we know that 2 pi is 2 times 3.142. Is it not? So 100 over this will give us 15.9, which is approximately what? 16 hertz. Is that clear?
Yes,
Now, period is the same thing as saying, what is period? 1 over what? Frequency. So 1 over 16 is what? 0.0636. That is period. Now, wavelength. How do you do wavelength? You check the second equation. See the one that has x, this one has x. So equate them together. You have what? 2 pi x over lambda. Can you see that 2 pi x over lambda is equal to 2.0x? Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Make lambda the subject of the formula. You cross multiply. You have 2 pi. What is here? Because you must have killed x and what? X. So this times this will give us lambda 2. Is it not equal to this? So make it the subject. The 2 will go under.
Yeah.
So you have this to have 3.142 meters. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, period, what will be the period? Like I said before, 1 over what? F. And we know that F is 16 hertz, which will give us this. Then what is the speed? Speed is always frequency times what? Lambda. Frequency is already 16, lambda is already 3.142. Multiply it out, you get 50.24 meter per second squared. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that's how you go about solving it. Very, very simple. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.